If your money is just sitting in a bank account right now, I need you to watch this video carefully because inflation is quietly eating it every single day. The good news: you do not need to be rich to start investing in Nigeria anymore. In 2026, there are apps that let you start with as little as 1,000 naira right from your phone. In this video, I am going to show you the 5 best investment apps in Nigeria for beginners, what makes each one special, and which one I recommend you start with today. Let's get into it. Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, this is your home for simple, honest money advice made for Nigerians. Make sure you subscribe so you never miss a video. The first app on our list is Cowrywise, and if you have never invested before in your life, this is where I recommend you start. Cowrywise offers automated savings, access to mutual funds from just 1,000 naira, built-in risk assessments, and strong learning tools right inside the app. What makes Cowrywise special is that it does not just take your money, it actually teaches you how investing works. There are also halal fund options, which is great for Muslim viewers who want to invest according to Islamic principles. The bottom line: if you want a simple, low-risk way to start growing your money today, Cowrywise is your answer. The second app is one most Nigerians have already heard of: PiggyVest. PiggyVest is the largest online savings and investment platform in Nigeria, operating for over 8 years with almost 6 million registered users. What I love about PiggyVest is that it combines saving and investing in one place. With as little as 5,000 naira, you can access investment opportunities in real estate, agriculture, transportation, and fixed income assets. Interest rates range between 5 and 20% per annum on savings, and up to 35% per annum on investments, which is far better than what any regular bank will give you. If you struggle with saving discipline, PiggyVest is perfect because it lets you lock your money away so you cannot touch it until the right time. The third app is Bamboo, and this one is for people who want to protect their money from naira depreciation by investing in dollars. Bamboo gives everyday people access to global financial markets, something that was once only available to the rich. The app allows fractional investing, meaning you can start with as little as $1. So you do not need millions to own shares in big American companies. Your U.S. stocks portfolio on Bamboo is also insured by the United States SIPC up to $500,000, so your investment is protected. If you want your money working in dollars while you sleep, Bamboo is the app for you. Number 4 is Risevest, which is another excellent option for Nigerians who want to invest in dollars. Risevest allows users to invest in managed U.S. rental properties, and these investments have historically delivered 12 to 15% per annum without the stress of being a landlord. With more than 600,000 users and over $42 million paid out to customers, Risevest has proven itself as a trustworthy platform. Risevest is ideal if you want steady dollar returns without having to pick individual stocks yourself. The app manages everything for you. The fifth app is iInvest by Sterling Bank, and this one is perfect if you want the safest possible investment with guaranteed returns. iInvest is widely known as a pioneer of digital treasury bills investing, offering government-backed fixed income products. Some fixed income options on the platform have delivered up to 22 to 25% per annum, making it very attractive in Nigeria's high inflation environment. From one app, you can access treasury bills, fixed deposits, mutual funds, Nigerian equities, and even insurance products. If safety is your number one priority and you do not want to take risks with your money, iInvest is the one for you. So to quickly summarize, Cowrywise is best for complete beginners. PiggyVest is best for saving and investing together. Bamboo is best for US stocks. Risevest is best for dollar real estate. and I invest is best for safe government returns. My personal recommendation: if you are just starting out, download Cowrywise today, start with even 1000 naira, and just get the habit going. The amount does not matter at the beginning. The habit does. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It helps more Nigerians find this content. Drop a comment below telling me which app you are going to try first. I read every single comment. See you in the next video.